Hey guys, Monty here. I'm just sitting at camp by the fire because it sure is cold outside. Stick around.
I painted two awesome dogs, Monty and Rueger, from one of my favorite YouTube channels, Matthew Posa. It's about camping, fishing, hiking, and cooking outdoors, which he does over an open fire. Pretty much anything to do with outdoors. Recently he did a 3-year anniversary celebration video titled Best Channel Moment. I'm a huge dog lover and I was inspired to do a rock painting from a segment in the video. Be sure to check out his channel. I will leave a link in the description below. And also be sure to subscribe, like, and hit that bell if you want to see what I randomly paint next. Later, alligators.
Trying to wake up from a dream is harder than it seems. Birds are flying all around, some fall and hit the ground. This is where I should belong.